Ultra Epic Infinity Writing here, and it's my baby for this video. I am a creative, and I'll go show you the difference. As you can see, I added new prices. I got this one by redeeming some codes, and then I changed it to load it to be epic. But with more decorations. Someone gave me, I got 5 Robux, but I did donate 4 Robux. So now I just got only 1 Robux. And why am I blocky? Because when I play Doors, they make me this ugly, so-called good guy, weird guy man, and it's so ugly. I don't like it. So I changed it to blocky and still doesn't change it. But thanks for someone making me actually making me blocky, because sometimes I do have to do something and do the bugs. I will be happy if I will. I'll give 4. Who wants me to donate 1 Robux to your stand? Wants me to donate 1 Robux to your stand? Okay, no one else buy me anything. I'll just change the 1 into 3 because how about just add another one? Go to create. Experiences, boom. Creations. Okay, now how do I do this again? Okay, Dad. The P first. Hello. Hello. Okay.
Oo, itong damit mo. Damit mo.
Okay. So sales and the item for sale will be 3 Robux. And then I save changes and I'm done. So what's up guys? Bye guys. Ultra Epic Infinity YT out.